today I'm at Stable Bar flat. It's a first floor flat with a lovely terrace which I'm sitting on today. You've got a double bedroom which is a nice size. You've also got a shower room, and then you've got the main living area which is it's L-shaped, so you've got the kitchen in one part of it, and then you've got the living area with a wood burning stove. It's a stone building with a slate roof, so it's got a bit of character to it as well. If you'd like to find out more, then watch the video and book yourself a viewing.